Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this radio Retevis NR630S. This radio works on the UHF band from 400 to 480 MHz, has IP67 dust proof and waterproof. Now let's see what this radio is and how it works and test it. Let's go. The radio came in this box. On the opposite side of the box you can see the frequency of the radio, frequency band from 400 480, model of the radio NR630, letter S. Inside the box you can find the user manual in several languages. In the box you can find the radio itself. The radio looks pretty good, solid body. Let's see the antenna. Antenna has SMA male connector. On the radio you can find the SMA female connector. This antenna works around PMR band, 446 MHz. On top of the radio you can see the switch for switching the channels, the volume control and power switch, the color screen, the speaker, functionality buttons. Actually you can find the functionality buttons below the PTT button. On the opposite side of the radio you can find the USB-C port. You can charge the radio almost everywhere. You can see the red lamp indicates the process of charging. You can charge this radio in the car using USB-C cable. Let's see the battery. Just push this and slide the battery, and you can see the 2800 milliamps and 7.4 volts. The radio is waterproof and dustproof. You can find on the right side of the radio the connector for speaker and data cable. I mean the microphone and speaker you can connect right here. Inside the box you can find the belt clip. Belt clip connects to the body of the radio, not the battery. USB-C cable and the top charger. You can see the output 5 volts and input and output 5 volts. It means the just direct connection between USB-C and radio. And plug in the radio, you see the red light. It means the radio is in the process of charging. When the radio is charged, this lamp will be green, like this. Let's check the maximum transmission power on UHF band, 433.5 MHz, around 10.5 watts. Let's check the maximum transmission power on 446 MHz, 9 watts. Let's go back and check the middle. Around 5 watts. Let's check the low power. Below the sensitivity of this device, but the radio which is nearby can catch the signal. With this low power, it's really low. It's pretty good because you can use the radio much more longer and the battery will not drain. Menu of the radio is really simple. Just press menu button and you can see the power. You can change 3 types of power: high, middle, low, exit, VOX, GRP channel, codes, keypad tones. You can disable these beeps. Voice, SQL, noise reduction, reset, channel lock, backlight, talk around, Roger, scrambler. That's all. Let's check the harmonics. You can see the main signal and the second harmonic. Before connection the radio to the PC, you should unscrew this cover and connect data cable model. You can see right here. Waterproof and dustproof connector. Connect to the radio and connect to the USB port. Select COM port. Read the data from the radio. You can see the frequencies are the same. I prepared the file with frequencies which I need. You can see the 16 channels. Let's check the machine info and option features. Squelch, timeout, mic gain, all the same as in the menu of the radio. Let's write the data to the radio. Let's test the microphone of the radio.
Testing, audio. This is radio Retevis NR630S. Testing, audio microphone of the radio sounds pretty good.
These two functionality buttons. First one for monitoring, the second one for scanning, and alarm button, alarm press. Let's test the speaker of the radio.
Testing, audio. Testing, audio. The speaker of the Retevis NR630S sounds pretty good.
Let's disassemble the radio. What is inside the radio? Inside the radio you can see a lot of components, and the main chip is backend BK4819. Let's see what is under this sticker. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.